In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize top sites in the Brave browser. By the end, you'll have your new tab page showing exactly the websites you want to see in a way that suits how you browse. Start by launching Brave and opening a new tab. If Brave is already open, just click the plus icon for a fresh tab. This view is where your top sites live, so it's the perfect place to make changes and preview them in real time. Now, look to the bottom right corner of the new tab page for the Customize button. It usually looks like a small gear or a pencil icon. Give that a click. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse to wake the interface, or make sure you're not in full screen mode where controls can sometimes be hidden. Once the customization panel opens, you're in the right place to tailor how your top sites appear. In the customization menu, select the top sites option. This is the control center for the grid of site tiles you see on every new tab. Think of it as your quick launch dashboard. Choosing the right setting here makes your everyday browsing smoother and faster. You'll now choose how Brave fills those tiles. If you select frequently visited, Brave will automatically populate the grid with the sites you visit most often. This is a great set and forget choice if your browsing patterns change or if you don't want to manage anything manually. The list adapts over time as your habits shift, so it stays relevant without any effort on your part. If you prefer complete control, choose Favorites. With Favorites, you handpick the sites that appear, so you always see your most important destinations first. This is ideal if you rely on a consistent set of tools, workspaces, or news sites. When you choose Favorites, Brave will guide you to add entries so you can curate your lineup. It's a simple way to keep your new tab page clean, intentional, and distraction-free. After you make your selection, the change takes effect immediately. Open a new tab to see how it looks and make sure it matches what you had in mind. You can return to the Customize button and switch between frequently visited and favorites at any time, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine what works for you. That's all you need to set up. Top sites in Brave? Pick the approach that fits your style and enjoy a new tab page that genuinely speeds up your day.